The dawn of the 21st century has brought forth numerous technological advancements, reshaping civilization as we know it. One of the areas that has seen significant progression is military technology. Welcome to Innovative Check. Today, we are delving deep into China's advancements in this area, exploring its super-secret, supersonic spy drone that's causing a stir among the US and NATO. China's latest leap in drone technology, the WZ-8, has rapidly changed the military balance in the Asia-Pacific region. This cutting-edge drone is a game-changer, with capabilities of flying at altitudes of 100,000 feet and speeds 3 times the speed of sound. According to leaked documents, this spy drone could significantly enhance China's surveillance operations, targeting strategically important territories like Taiwan and South Korea. But that's not all. Subscribe to Innovative Check, like our videos and comment. The dawn of the 21st century has brought forth numerous technological advancements that have significantly reshaped various aspects of human civilization. One field that has experienced this transformative progression is military technology, primarily through the advent and evolution of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, more commonly known as drones. China, in its pursuit of a formidable military might, has taken significant steps in this domain. This video explores China's advanced supersonic spy drone, WZ-8, and the shock it presented to the US and NATO. Over the past 2 decades, China has rapidly expanded and upgraded its military capabilities. This includes the development and deployment of advanced aerial systems, such as reconnaissance drones and stealth aircraft. The introduction of the WZ-8 spy drone is a testament to China's ambitious military modernization program. Paraded for the first time in 2019, the WZ-8, believed to be powered by rocket fuel, is capable of achieving speeds 3 times the speed of sound and reaching altitudes of 100,000 feet, making it a significant threat to American and NATO forces in the region. China's supersonic spy drone, the WZ-8, is a cutting-edge surveillance system capable of gathering real-time mapping data to inform strategy or execute missile strikes in potential conflicts. Its capabilities could dramatically bolster China's ability to conduct surveillance operations, especially around contentious territories like Taiwan and other strategic military bases in the region. The WZ-8's possible flight paths, as mentioned in the National Geospatial-Intelligence Agency's assessment, indicate its potential to infiltrate Taiwanese or South Korean airspace undetected. One of the strategic military implications of China's WZ-8 drone is its potential contribution to Beijing's anti-access, area denial, A2AD, strategy. The A2AD strategy is designed to prevent or deter adversaries from entering or traversing specific areas, often surrounding strategically important territories. The deployment of the WZ-8 could aid China in enforcing its sovereignty claims over Taiwan, and in disrupting American and NATO military operations in the region. The advanced capabilities of the WZ-8 drone pose a significant challenge to the US and NATO forces. The drone's stealth and speed, coupled with its ability to fly at high altitudes, makes it difficult to detect and intercept, thereby challenging the existing US air-to-air weaponry. Its deployment significantly expands China's surveillance reach, thereby having implications not just for the US and South Korea, but also for Japan, India, and Southeast Asia. The advancements in China's military technology, particularly the development of the WZ-8, have profound implications for the geopolitical landscape of the Asia-Pacific region. China's rapidly modernizing military and aggressive territorial claims have increased tensions with Taiwan and escalated apprehensions about a possible Chinese invasion. Additionally, the WZ-8's high speed and stealthy nature complicate the regional security calculus, potentially shifting the power dynamics in China's favor. The recent disclosures in the National Geospatial-Intelligence Agency's assessment have also shed light on the strategic importance of the Liwan Air Base in Dushan County, Luan City. Originally constructed in 1970, the base has witnessed significant expansions in recent years, with new infrastructural developments and wider thoroughfares constructed to accommodate the WZ-8 and other military assets. Its location, nestled within mountainous regions, makes it less vulnerable to attacks, highlighting China's comprehensive efforts to strengthen its military installations. The WZ-8 drone's primary use is to conduct high-level surveillance and reconnaissance, providing real-time intelligence that could guide China's missile strikes and other military operations. Its supersonic speed, high-altitude capabilities, and state-of-the-art electro-optical cameras and sensors enable it to map territories at night and in foggy weather, adding to its operational versatility. The drone's use can be seen as part of a broader reconnaissance strike complex, aligning with China's overarching objective to locate, target, and neutralize enemy forces effectively. The WZ-8's deployment could pose a significant threat to Taiwan, a self-governed island democracy that has long been a point of contention between the US and China. The strategic importance of Taiwan, coupled with the ongoing tensions surrounding its status, could make it a potential target of the WZ-8's advanced reconnaissance capabilities. With the assessment that Taiwan may be ill-prepared to prevent early Chinese air superiority during an invasion, the drone's existence becomes an even more significant concern. The rapid progression of China's military technology is not confined to the WZ-8 drone alone. Other technological advancements, as revealed by the leaked documents, include the existence of additional Chinese spy balloons and the development of hypersonic weapons. These weapons are capable of striking targets with unprecedented speed and accuracy, further enhancing China's anti-access area denial capabilities. The integration of these various technologies into China's military strategy signifies a holistic approach to modernization that aims to position China as a dominant player in the Asia-Pacific region. The revelation of China's advanced supersonic drone and other technological advancements pose a formidable challenge for the US and NATO. Their response will likely involve recalibrating existing defense strategies and exploring new technological innovations to counter the rising threat. This could include improving their air-to-air weapons capabilities, strengthening defense infrastructures, and investing in advanced surveillance and reconnaissance systems. However, these adjustments will need to be backed by robust diplomatic efforts aimed at de-escalating tensions and promoting stability in the region. But let's not forget the WZ-8 isn't China's only advancement. From spy balloons to hypersonic weapons, China's holistic approach to military modernization poses a significant challenge to the balance of power. How will the US and NATO respond to this rising threat? A recalibration of defense strategies, new technological innovations, and robust diplomatic efforts will be key. China's WZ-8 supersonic spy drone marks a new era in military technology, reshaping international security and necessitating innovative strategies to maintain peace. What are your thoughts on these recent developments? Let us know in the comments below. China's supersonic spy drone, the WZ-8, marks a new chapter in military technology. The balance of power in the Asia-Pacific and indeed, the world, could be reshaped by these developments. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this significant turn of events. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to Innovative Check for more insights into the future of innovation. Stay tuned.